Wait, sir.
Come.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Mishra ji. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Have we met before? No.
No, sir.
Okay. What's your height?
Sir, 6 feet.
6 feet.
Yes.
Have you opted for police?
Yes, sir.
Good. Is it what preference? Number 1, 2, 3, what?
Second.
Second. Oh, good. Kalahandi.
Yes, sir.
KBK.
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
So what is the position? Has things improved or it continues?
Yes, sir.
Will
Things
the
things have been improving, sir.
Very good.
There have been many projects that of the government of India as well
Very
as the
good.
government of Odisha that are going on.
Same, some major projects?
Presently, road construction has been going on. Many unconnected areas have been connected with the state highways.
Oh, very
And the Indravati project that was carried on has been continuing with its
Indravati, what, power project or what?
upper Indravati hydropower project.
Hydropower project.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
That's going on.
Yeah, it has been completed and the water has been provided to many of the villages and the towns nearby.
And how about the power situation? Always comfortable, no?
Yes, sir.
Power is not it never been.
Now it is
a
not an
concern.
issue. Yes, sir.
You have enough power.
Yes, sir.
And you are not affected by cyclone and all, right?
No,
You
sir.
are
We
far
are.
away from that.
Yes, sir. We are surrounded by hills.
So that way you are very safe in a way.
Yes, sir.
What is the population of tribal population in your district? It's
Sir.
a separate district, no?
Yes, sir.
In Kalahandi, yes.
Yes, sir. Around 30% of the population is tribal, sir. Tribals.
So how come your father he's still a reader in geography?
He has retired.
Oh, retired. Which university was he teaching?
Kesinga Mahavidyalaya,
Stationed in
Kalahandi district. Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have done mining from where?
NIT Raipur, sir.
Oh, NIT Raipur.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, what are different types of mining?
Sir,
Say coal, for example. What are different types of mining?
sir, open cast mining, where the deposits are, not very deep. We can, excavate on the surface. In the underground mining, there are various types like strip mining, and deep, very deep underground mining. Like I'm not able to recollect that particular word, but
Okay. Now, environmentally, which is more friendly? Deep, underground mining or this surface mining?
sir,
Open
mining activity, since it involves extraction of minerals, it is a polluting industry. But comparing open cast and the underground mining has lesser impact on environment than the open cast.
Very good. Now, in some states, not your state perhaps, like Meghalaya, I have Meghalaya in mind,
Yes, sir.
they do another type of mining.
Yes, sir.
What is that called?
That is called, sir, rat hole mining.
Rat hole mining. Very good. What is rat hole mining?
Sir, they
You train the rats and they do the mining.
no,
is it?
sir. So they used to dug a pit, and the pit diameter is very small, where the humans and the machines cannot be.
No, not the machine. Human beings can enter.
Yes.
I have seen one. That's why I'm saying.
Yeah, the children are employed to
No,
remove.
even
Human-
men also.
Okay.
Fairly this much.
Okay, sir.
And
Sir,
like
they-
a tea bag, they have a bag. They keep on mining with the small
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
coal.
Yes, sir.
And the worst thing is they don't recondition the soil. They keep on going down. And at times I have seen it's by the side of the highways. And they leave it there as it is and go away. And when it rains or whatever, some accidents and all happen.
The roof may
Anyway,
be-
they got trapped and
Yes, sir.
there was death,
Yes, sir. It was illegal, basically, because of unscientific nature of mining.
Okay, you are from Orissa. Where all in Orissa you get coal and of a very good quality also?
Sir, we have regions in Sambalpur, Jharsuguda,
That's some coal field. We have a headquarters of which coal field?
Mahanadi Coalfields.
Mahanadi coal.
Yes, sir.
Very good. And then where else?
In the southern part of our region also we do find coal. In the eastern,
Mahanadi is open cast, right?
yes sir.
I have seen that. Go on. Now that.
And these are the major regions where coal are produced. Where, other isolated regions where coal may be.
Okay, what is the quality of coal we get in India?
Sir, it is the bituminous and sub-bituminous type.
You know, in terms of ash content.
I'm not particularly sure about the.
Because for power plant you need a particular ash content only.
Yes sir.
That's why we had to import.
Yes,
We
sir.
import from which countries?
Coal.
Huh?
Sir, we import from Australia
And
and
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Okay.
Australia, Broken Hill, that is the company, Broken Hill.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Now, your optional is geography.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. So, no wonder you know all this. Huh?
Sir, thank you.
Now, there is a port in Orissa. Which port is that?
Paradip Port.
Paradip, very good. It's mainly for what?
It
Some
is.
import of something?
Yes, sir. We have been importing iron ore from various countries to this port. Recently,
And also?
there have been oil imports from various Gulf countries
They
as well.
have Paradip phosphate.
Yes, sir.
Fertilizer unit.
Yes, sir.
Do they import anything? Okay, now it's unfortunate that every now and then we get cyclone in Orissa,
Yes, sir.
especially in the last 2 years.
Yes, sir.
Now, is there any disaster organization to deal with this?
Yes, sir. In the center we have National Disaster Management Authority.
Is there any act? Disaster
sir.
Act?
Yes,
Which
sir.
year? What is it? It was introduced?
2005 Disaster Management Act.
Very good. What is it called?
Disaster Management Act.
Very. Who is the chairman of that?
Honorable
At the
Prime
center?
Honorable Prime Minister is the
Prime
chairman.
Minister. At the state level, what is the setup?
The State Disaster Management Authority, chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister, will be heading.
And at the district level also you have?
Yes, sir. District Disaster Management Authority, where the district magistrate will be chairing that.
Now in the recent cyclones, I thought Orissa did very well.
Yes, sir.
Because the last minute it turned, it was probably 100.
Yes, sir.
Loss of life was virtually nil.
Yes, sir.
So some infrastructure got spoiled. That can't be helped. you
Yes,
see.
sir.
And a remarkable job was done, I thought.
Yes, sir.
So people have been rehabilitated.
The rehabilitation process has been going on. They have been moved to new locations.
There was some power problem also, no? The power,
Yes,
power
sir.
lines and all.
Yes, sir. The city was also affected with those power problems. The Bhubaneswar and adjoining areas were affected with those.
Very good. Now, take 1 minute and draw a map of India. India, that is Bharat. And put a dot to your place, Kalahandi.
Very difficult question.
It's a teaser. But अभी तक क्वेश्चन पेपर लीक हो गया होगा आ गया तो
Let's see. Leak water.
करेगा करेगा
आपको इसका एक ही आंसर दे पाया है आपके इस क्वेश्चन का एक ही ठीक कर पाया
हाँ even UPSC I used to ask yes yes rest of this अब ये देखो now look at this map of India that is Bharat see
What is wrong?
what is
Sir,
wrong
Andaman Nicobar Islands
Then
and
Lakshadweep.
What
Yes,
else?
See, attention to detail. How can you miss out land which is already there?
sorry,
If you are
sir.
very ambitious, you can even put a dot on POK. I will appreciate. But you can't miss out Andaman, Nicobar and
Yes, sir.
Lakshadweep.
Excuse.
You are aware what you have missed out, but then why did you
Yeah.
knowingly?
I said
Sir.
India, that is Bharat.
Sir, I'm sorry. It was in a bit of
otherwise
hurry.
this anybody can draw.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So, so please be very careful.
Yes, sir.
Tell me one more thing.
Sir.
For any map to be complete,
Sir.
one thing is missing. What is that?
The latitudes and the longitude.
No. Latitude, longitude, there is only one. What?
23 and a half.
That you don't have to mention, but there is something else in any map, not only India map, any map, something is very important. Suppose I want to know the distance between Kalahandi and Chennai. Will I know from this?
No, sir.
Well, you can. 1 inch is equal to 500 miles.
Yes, sir.
If it is half an inch, then 250 miles. That is called scale, RF.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Representative
Representative factor.
Arrange this attention to detail, my friend.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry about that.
No question of sorry. You better
I'll
be.
see. Yes, I'll see to it, sir.
You see, these are the things we look for,
Yes, sir.
not the map. Map, whatever way you draw is fine. So long, by and large, everybody knows how to draw India map. This is very important. Representative factor, scale, call it. 1 inch is equal to 600 miles. Write something. India is not only this much.
Yes, sir.
And then Lakshadweep and Andaman, how can you leave out?
Sir, I missed
People
out
are
in a
fighting. Some maps are wrongly drawn. We have taken it up.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it?
I'm sorry
Some
about
UN agency and all that.
that. Yes.
Showing a bit of our portion to Pakistan or China or whatever. Let's be very
That's
careful.
it.
Okay, the geography means that. Now going from east to west, listen to the question, from east to west, what are the major ports? Look at the map and answer so that you don't miss out.
Okay, sir.
East to west. Of course, you should be able
Para-
to answer straight away,
Yes, sir.
but the idea of map is that
Yes,
it
sir.
will guide you.
Paradip in the eastern part. Then we'll.
But don't keep on looking at the map only, look at the members also.
Okay, sir.
It's not a written test.
Okay.
What I mean is, when you are in doubt, look at that.
Okay, sir.
And now tell me, you start with Paradip. My friend, how about Haldia?
Yes, sir. Kolkata and Haldia.
Yes sir, yes sir. भैया आज आप board में नहीं हो. East to west means what? Eastern India. At
Yes,
least
sir.
start from Haldia.
Haldia, Kolkata, Paradip, Vishakhapatnam.
Slowly think, imagine map and then go on. And then
Vishakhapatnam, then Ennore, Chennai,
Ennore is Chennai is okay. Then that is same. Then
and Tuticorin,
very good. One
Kochi.
fellow said Coimbatore.
Kochi,
Kochi, very good.
Marmagao.
Again missed out. Mangalore.
Sorry, Mangalore. Sorry,
Mangalore.
Marmagao. Then Jawaharlal Nehru Port,
Correct, JNPT.
JNPT, Mumbai. Then Gujarat.
One near the Pakistan. Always we get threatened there. Kandla.
Kandla, sorry. Sir.
अरे ये क्या भाई ये तो geography पढ़े हो ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have ship making yards.
Yes, sir.
We have ship breaking yard also.
Yes, sir.
Where is that?
So I am not able to recall that particular name. It is in geography, in Gujarat.
Don't say it's in geography.
It's in Gujarat.
Gujarat. Okay. What is the problem with ship breaking yard? Why not very many countries do it? Only India, everybody sends it here. And what do we get out of it? Breaking a ship,
So we get minerals from it.
metals. rather.
Metals
Okay.
from it.
And then what
the
is the
major
problem?
issue is leaching of those particular minerals into the soil or the sand.
No. At times it explodes and all that.
Exactly. The occupational hazards are also
Yes.
present.
Anyway, good. Last question.
So,
Orissa. So, okay. Now, climate change. You know the Paris conference and subsequent. What is the latest? Where do we stand? We are committed something.
yes, sir. We have committed to the intended nationally determined contribution, where we'll be reducing our emissions to 33 to 35% of GDP. We'll be having 40. Will be
Emission intensity.
emission intensity. Will be
I think you can ask more questions.
Renewable sources of energy
to 40% of the total
to be
energy.
met by the year.
To be met by the year to surround.
Anyway, all up to 2030.
Yes,
Third
sir.
one,
Third one, to generate carbon sink of around 3.5 gigaton,
2.5 to 3 billion tons.
3 billion tons.
Tons CO2 equivalent.
Okay, now What do you understand by per capita income? That's a concept, no?
Yes, sir.
What does it mean?
The total income divided by the
No,
population.
no, no. Define per capita income. I don't want the formula. How will you define?
Sir, the individual income that is being obtained, or what is the income that an individual has at his capacity, that is per capita income. It is a total income divided by the population, total population.
Average income of
Average
an
income of an
individual. That is
individual.
I mean, define it precisely. Yeah, don't go into the formula. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by fiscal deficit?
Sir, it is the deficit or the total expenditure sans the revenue that is generated, which includes capital revenue, revenue receipts and non-debt capital receipts.
Have you heard of FRBM?
Yes, sir.
What is FRBM?
Fiscal Responsibility Budget Management.
Very good. So, they have given us a roadmap.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This based on which committee? There was a committee, no?
Yes, sir.
Which which went into FRBM? NK Singh committee.
NK Singh.
Anyway, it's all right. But how far are we from the roadmap? Are we deviating in this year's budget, last year's budget?
Sir,
Or we are strictly following?
Sir, the last year we have deviated from that particular goal. We have our.
This year we are not. Is it?
Sir, it is yet to be finalized.
No. Budget estimate is there now.
Yes, sir.
Based on budget estimate,
Sir.
is it based on the roadmap given under the FRBM, or we are deliberately deviating? To be realistic, we are deviating from there or what?
Yes, sir. We are deviating from the. We have to boost the economy, so we kind of deviated from.
Okay, last question. Define indirect tax. What is the indirect tax?
Sir, the tax that is befallen upon someone, upon some goods indirectly, we have to pay those particular tax. Any tax that befalls on the goods or particular item, we have to pay it. It doesn't directly befalls on us.
And direct tax?
The tax that is directly given by an individual or a corporation or a company.
Ankit, what is the meaning of Ankit?
Sir, inscribed.
Inscribed. Okay, Ankit Shankar.
Yes, sir.
So together, does it have a significance?
Ankit is inscribed. Shankar is name of Lord Shiva.
But so together, does it convey? I don't know.
No, sir.
Nothing significant. Tell me, Ankit, KBK is known, isn't it, for its poverty,
Yes,
chronic
sir.
poverty.
Yes, sir.
Why this particular region had this problem of chronic poverty?
Sir, the geographical aspect of this is surrounded by hills and lack of communication to it is present in the hinterland. It is not much communicated with the main highways and roadways and the railways. Besides it, a problem of dominance of the tribal population, where the development indicators have been very poor, and lately we have been improving on this particular thing.
We have been improving.
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the places of historical importance from the tourist point of view?
Sir, in the Kalahandi region, we have a place called Asurgarh, where it is a civilization has been found by the Archaeological Survey of India. So this particular region has a tourist attraction.
How old is this civilization?
Sir, I am not able to recall that particular age of that particular civilization.
What are the ancient inscriptions which are available found in Orissa?
So the 13th rock edict of Ashoka, that has been a source of inscription and history.
How old is that?
It is around 260 BC.
What is written in that? What is inscribed there? What is the inscription about? What is the message of the inscription?
Sir, it describes about the Kalinga war in that particular
एक्सप्रेसो होगा
in that particular inscription, the Kalinga war that was fought between King Asoka and Odisha kingdoms have been written on that.
चलो सभी कॉफी ले आओ
So only about the war. Is there no message?
मेजॉरिटी के
Yes, sir. The policy of Dhamma and the secular aspect of his policy was also written. Yes, sir.
जोर से
No, what is this dharma that Ashoka is
you
talking
never complain
It implies tolerance, equality to all the religions.
Have you been to this rock
they
edict?
asked me to come
No,
to
sir.
send
You have not been there. Unfortunately, it has not been translated into Oriya.
मैंने
It is
जब
there,
आपसे इस
the
बार ही मना कर
inscription
दिया
is
नहीं तो वो
there. But
छोड़ने
it is
के लिए
not-
भेजा करते थे
The translation
के लिए
in
True,
yeah.
any
मैं
language
उसके
is
लिए
not.
मना करती थी कि उसको पौने दो
So that
घंटा
should be
लगता
done.
था
What about Udayagiri and
एक सवा घंटे में
Kandagiri?
पहुंच रहा हूँ तो 3
So these are the Jain caves constructed under Kharavela, King Kharavela. They used to be the rest places of Jain monks.
What is the diamond circle of
मैंने कहा
Odisha?
वो
Diamond
शुरू
circle.
में मना कर दिया
So the diamond circle means that there are 3 places of importance like Ratnagiri, Udayagiri,
Have you
Lalit.
been there?
No, sir.
No, you must go and see.
Yes, sir.
मेरा कम टाइम लगता है
Ratnagiri, Lalitgiri and Udayagiri. These 3 places have been
What
called.
is the controversy about the Niyamagiri hills?
Sir, Vedanta Alumina Limited has been trying to extract bauxite from that particular region, but the local resident of the tribal population have opposed extraction of minerals. They have been mobilizing support regarding the opposition of that particular project.
So what is the way out? Okay. What are your own views on this?
Sir, for development to occur, a particular project has to be done. For rehabilitation of those particular affected people, we should plan an adequate rehabilitation plan for settlement and employment of those particular people affected by it.
What is this Polavaram project? And what is the Odisha has been objecting to that?
Sir, it is a project of. I'm sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall it the exact issue.
Odisha is one of the richest in terms of minerals. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And it is also true that it is one of the poorest.
Yes, sir.
How do you explain this?
Sir, there is a phenomenon called resource curse where we have not been utilizing the resources that are present in our region. I mean, we are not able to transform those particular or value add to our system, like in the social sector, like the education and health. Those particular resources have been extracted, but they have not transformed into development of our region.
Recently, the Odisha government has been talking about 5 T's. What are these 5 T's?
Sir, it is an initiative to improve the accountability of the administration. The 5 T's include transparency, teamwork, time, sir, I'm not able to.
Technology?
Technology, sir.
Okay. What is this, the recent, in terms of health, what are the schemes of the Odisha government?
So the Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana, it is a health insurance scheme of the government provides 5 lakh per family per.
In what way it is different from the center's scheme?
Sir, the government of Odisha is claiming that the coverage of this scheme is far more wider than the central scheme of Ayushman Bharat. It is for this reason that it has not adhered to the central government scheme.
And for women, is it the package is more or less?
Yes, sir. It has an increased amount of insurance that is provided.
What do you think of the Delhi riots? If you were the Commissioner of Police, Delhi,
Sir,
what would you have done?
sir, with the help of technology like facial recognition systems, CCTV, high resolution CCTV cameras, we could have prevented the particular riots that have happened. Unfortunately, we could have taken preventive measures of deployment of police in those particular disturbed areas. We could have gathered local intelligence regarding movement of such particular person. We could have prevented that riots. Sir.
The President of United States visited India.
Sir.
In what way is it significant?
Sir, the ties of United States and India have moved to a more closer level. The common global strategic partnership has been framed. Many defense agreements like the Apache attack helicopters that we are getting it, MH-60R helicopters we are getting it.
As a future administrator, potential, what are the lessons that break out of this coronavirus has? What are the lessons?
So,
Because it has taken us by surprise, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Suddenly,
Yes, sir.
China is in the news for the wrong reasons.
yes, sir.
Any lessons for us? And,
Sir, there is a particular case of Kerala where the Nipah virus outbreak has been contained very effectively. So we could learn from those particular reasons like tracking the contact of those persons who are affected by preventing contact, by isolating them, by providing better primary healthcare centers in those particular regions where these people are affected. We could have done this.
but the larger issue, the public health as such,
Yes, sir.
because this is a reaction to this thing.
Yes, sir.
But the larger issue of the public health itself, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That comes into the focus, that comes to the fore.
Yes, sir.
Because where you are talking about other things, space, this, Belt and Road Initiative, suddenly it is going to as basic an issue as the public health. Isn't it? We cannot afford to, even as we are taking huge strides on the international arena, etc.
Yes, sir.
So it's a matter of public health.
Yes, sir.
Probably the lesson could be that at no stage, whatever be the developmental stage, you cannot afford to ignore certain basic things as public health.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Certainly.
That
Yes,
could be a
sir.
larger takeaway.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Suddenly maybe it's there and then it is pulled back and it is affecting the entire world economy
Yes, sir.
also. So basic things, first things first.
Yes.
Isn't it a lesson? That
Yes,
we
sir.
have to take?
Yes, sir.
Ankit, what are the fundamental duties of an Indian citizen?
To abide by the constitution, to respect its national anthem, national flag and constitution, to develop scientific temper.
What is meant by this? To develop a scientific temper.
To avoid irrationality, to avoid superstitions, we have to have an rational thinking over particular.
There is a fundamental duty called respecting the composite culture of India.
Yes,
What
sir.
is this composite culture?
We have to uphold the cultures of all the religion, all the civilization, all the people that they are following those cultures. We have to accommodate that.
And uphold the ideals that inspire the freedom struggle. What are these ideals?
So these ideals may include the tolerance, abolition of untouchability, patriotism, nationalism. These are the ideals that the freedom struggle has kept on going.
Gandhiji used to talk about a talisman.
Yes, sir.
What is a talisman?
Whenever you are in doubt or recall the face of the poorest man you ever encountered and contemplate that the step you are going to take would be of any
Ankit,
benefit.
there is a view that Gandhiji and his ideals are outdated. They are no longer relevant in this age of artificial intelligence, conquering the outer space, the huge strides we have taken in science and technology. So Gandhiji's ideals are no longer relevant. You agree?
No, sir. His concept of truth, his concept of finding the real reason of any particular issue, the science is all about finding truth. That is what we can learn from Gandhiji's ideals.
Gandhiji in his daily prayers or Friday prayers used to read out from 3 holy texts. What are these 3 holy texts?
So I'm not able to
What
recall.
could be?
What could be?
No, it's not very difficult to
3
guess.
holy texts.
3 holy texts. What could they be?
Okay, Gita
Hmm?
and he has been influenced by
No, 3 texts, 3 important
What
texts.
could be
Gita,
the
what
other 2
else?
books?
Other
What could be
2.
the other 2 holy books?
Bible and Quran.
Of course.
Yes,
But
sir.
why?
So why are you so reluctant?
Sir, I was thinking about the textbooks that he was
APJ Abdul Kalam, he also read all these.
Okay.
So we have been hearing about the farmers, rural distress, farmers committing suicide. That is dogging us for all that we talk. So if you were the collector, what would be the priorities? Collector Kalahandi.
Sir, the first priority will be involving an NGO or an organization to persuade them to not take this drastic step regarding infrastructure and developmental works. Would highlight the central as well as the state scheme for the development of agriculture in this particular region. Providing necessary schemes regarding that particular region will help in accessing those particular schemes, will provide the knowledge of accessing cheaper credit where he can continue his agricultural activities. Marketing facilities would also be improved.
Recently, US President was impeached. What is the issue on which he was impeached?
So there was allegation of Russia's meddling in the United States elections. It was this particular region where the president has been found to be improper the elections.
Sir.
Ankit, whose names are inscribed on the wall of India Gate?
So the martyred soldiers of India.
When? It's related with what? Which war?
Sir, I'm confused about First World War.
First World War. Huh? So from India and who from British side? Their officers and our soldiers.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Their officers and our
Soldiers.
soldiers. Okay. Now, what do you mean by integrated steel plant?
An integrated steel plant would have manufacturing of steel as well as its assistant products.
Integrated.
Yes. You know how many types of steel is there? There's only one type.
No, sir.
Then
How many?
So I'm not able to recollect this.
Okay. What do you know about Mr. Alan Mittal?
Sir, he is the CEO of ArcelorMittal.
Okay. What else you know about him? Where from he is? And where is he now?
So I'm not able to recollect.
Okay. KBK districts.
Sir,
3 more districts have been added to this category. So the districts have been bifurcated, that's why, or there's
Yes,
a
sir.
reason?
And there are
Which are other 3 districts of this category?
Nabrangpur, Nuapada, Nabrangpur, Nuapada,
One more?
Devagadai,
Hmm?
Devagad.
Devagad.
We are not sure. And yearly job.
Okay, Jharia mines, you might have heard about Jharia mines. What is the problem there?
Sir, there has been an underground fire that has been going on continuously, and that has been closed.
So why that has been closed?
That particular region where the fire has been continuing, it was closed.
Okay, why the steps, I think steps might have been taken to extinguish that fire. So why that has not become successful? And what are the reasons for that it has not become successful? Efforts have been made, might have been made.
So the issue mostly lies in the underground mines where there is a single entrance at most. There is a single entrance and the fire may come out. That is
So
the.
have ever efforts been made to extinguish that fire?
I do not recollect those particular steps that have been taken recently.
Recently in the past? Have any efforts been made?
So I'm not sure about.
Okay, when Madhya Pradesh was bifurcated?
2000, sir.
2000. So which states, Madhya Pradesh or Chhattisgarh, have benefited from this?
Yes, sir.
Which one has benefited, or both have benefited, or none of them?
So both have benefited from this move.
Both have benefited.
Yes, sir.
And now come to Madhya Pradesh first. How has that become benefited?
A bigger state, there has been a problem of redistribution of resources in a bigger
Okay.
state.
Mhm.
Since the size or area has been reduced, it is generally thought that the administration would be more effective in providing the services.
No.
In Chhattisgarh, since it is a smaller state, there has been more developmental initiatives to those particular region where it was earlier left out by Madhya Pradesh.
So they have been taken.
Sorry.
Have those measures been taken?
Yes, sir.
So what is the outcome in which areas?
Sir, in health and education, plus the development of mining areas in the southern Chhattisgarh region.
So specifically, what is the difference?
Between, sir.
No, since it was bifurcated, related with Chhattisgarh.
So the developmental indicators have been improving. Earlier it was not focused upon so much, but lately the less developed areas of Jagdalpur, Bastar areas have also been taken up.
Okay, related with interlinking of rivers. What are your views? Whether we should go ahead with this? Pros cons related with interlinking of rivers.
Yes, sir. There have been both pros and cons on such particular initiative. The pros would be, sir, river interlinking will provide water to the deficit basins, and irrigation and developmental activities like farming and other activities can be carried out. Regarding the cons, sir, it includes a huge cost. The pollution load of one particular river would get transported to the another river. We have also issue of an invasive species that can get transferred to those particular region.
Okay. If I say India's stature all over the world has gone all-time high during the past 2 to 3 years, would you agree to this?
Yes, sir.
Tell me how.
Sir, the recognition of India as a emerging global power, the United States has renamed its Asia Pacific to Indo-Pacific. This has an element of emerging global power. The visit of the President of the United States in our country lately have also highlighted this particular aspect.
Our relations with the United States are much better now than ever.
Yes, sir.
How would you justify that? How many US presidents have visited India till independence?
So I'm not aware of that fact.
Anyway, 7.
President
And since 2000
Bill
till
Clinton,
now,
sir.
out of those 7, how many?
Sir, President Bill Clinton, President George Bush, President Barack Obama, and President Trump.
So 4 have visited.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you tell me, what do you mean by greenhouse?
It is an effect
No,
whereby
I am not talking about effect. I am talking about what is greenhouse.
it is a phenomenon where long wave radiation will pass through and the short wave, sorry sir, the short wave radiation will pass through while trapping the long wave radiation.
Mm-hmm.
The reflection of that particular short wave radiation will be remaining. It produces a heating effect.
Okay. So and then what do you mean by greenhouse gases?
The gases which
Name
contribute,
those gases first. Greenhouse gases.
carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide.
So anyway, more than sulfur dioxide, what?
Chlorofluorocarbon.
Chlorofluorocarbon.
Yes,
CFC.
sir. Yes, sir.
See,
Okay. Now, what do you mean by greenhouse effect?
So the warming of a particular area with the influx of the greenhouse gases or the more concentration of greenhouse gases, the greenhouse effect will be seen. A warming,
What is that greenhouse effect?
sir, the increase in the temperature, increase in the heating aspect is called greenhouse effect.
So up to certain level, is increase in temperature desirable?
Yes, sir. It is desirable for certain levels. After that, it can be negative for us.
Okay, so enhanced greenhouse effect is
Enhanced greenhouse effect is a negative.
not desirable.
Not
huh?
desirable.
Okay. What do you mean by good ozone and bad ozone?
Good ozone refers to the ozone that is placed in the ozonosphere, where it protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays. The bad ozone that are formed in the lower troposphere, where it can be very highly reactive. It would when inhaled, it would be causing cancer.
Okay, if I say that it is not only the use of carbon fuel or fossil fuel, we can say, it is not only the use of fossil fuel and human activities which cause the air pollution, but it is the climate of a particular place also which affects the air pollution. Do you agree to this?
Yes, sir.
So how the climate affects the air pollution of a climate or particular area affects the air pollution.
Sir, Delhi has been a particular case.
Anyway,
where-
Delhi or whatever, yeah, okay, example of Delhi only.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
In the continental interior parts,
Mhm.
where there have been lack of movement of air.
Okay, so we can say wind velocity number 1.
Yes.
What else? Related with wind only one velocity, another related with
Movement
wind name velocity movement, both are one and the same thing, direction.
direction.
So number 1
Direction.
number 1 wind velocity, number 2 wind direction. What else? What do you mean by temperature inversion?
The increase, generally we feel that or we experience decrease in temperature upon increasing in height, in altitude. When there is a reversal of this particular event, it is called temperature inversion.
So it is temperature inversion also which affects this? Yes. Anyway, what about humidity of a particular area? Humidity. How does it affect the air pollution? Humidity.
Sir, if there is a high humidity, there are high chances that the pollutants get stick to those particular water molecules.
Very good. Sulfur dioxide contents are increasing in Wuhan,
Yeah.
China.
Yes, sir.
Why? SO2 contents are increasing, and actually whatever the severe category is there, even 2 times more than that.
Sir, sulfur.
I think 380 or 700 to 1400 micrograms per ppm. I'm not sure about the figure. I think this is the figure. So severe category, even 2 times more than that severe category, sulfur dioxide content. Why?
Sir, I'm not sure about this event, but if you allow me, I can try.
What is that?
Sir, sulfur dioxide probably emerges from thermal power plants.
Thermal power.
Anyway, कोई नहीं बाद में बता देंगे.
Ankit, can you tell me where is Chandipur?
It is in the eastern part of Odisha, near Baleswar.
Why it is significant?
It houses the integrated test range of DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization.
And why only that particular place has been selected? Do you know what is the physics behind that island?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Since you have worked in steel industry, can you
No,
explain
cement
industry?
Yes,
Sorry.
sir.
Can you explain what is the meaning of green cement?
So,
Any guess?
the cement that is produced by making it, the production may be made with green technologies like using of electrostatic precipitators, scrubbers, waste heat recycling plants. With those particular technologies, certainly the cement plant can be made more sustainable.
Have you heard of aluminosilicates?
So I have heard of the compound, but as such I have not.
They are basically the component behind the green cement
Okay, sir.
instead of calcium oxide.
Okay, sir.
Anyways, what are the problems the cement industry is facing currently in India?
So the major issue of cement industries are logistics. The production cost have been low, but the cost increases due to the logistics and its challenges. Besides this, it is an energy intensive in industry, and making it carbon neutral is very difficult for it.
Since you have done your honors in mining,
Yes, sir.
have you seen the movie Gangs of Wasseypur?
Yes, sir.
How is it related with mining?
Sir, it is related to the mining works done in Dhanbad.
Coal mine?
Yes, sir. Coal mines.
What were the issues in those days?
Manual labor were used. There have been no timings of the labor. Exploitation can be seen in those particular.
Can you tell me the core sectors of GDP? Core sectors of our GDP. Can you name them?
Yes, sir. Cement is one of the core sector. Steel production is one of the core sectors, sir. Power, electricity, natural gas, fertilizers.
How much cement contribute?
So I'm not aware of that fact.
These days there is a lot of talk about concept called nationalism. We have been reading in media that you have to be nationalistic. So what does nationalism mean to you? And what will it mean to you as an officer?
So the love of one's own country is nationalism. The most extreme form should not be used.
How will you implement it in your daily working?
So I will arrive my office in time. I'll see that the work culture that are present in my office would be good enough. Most of the individuals working under me would be diligent and disciplined, and all of them must be paying taxes.
Sir.
Okay. Good. Come after 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Come at your own because this bell is not working. Come
Okay,
after
sir.
2
Yeah,
minutes.
after 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Then it seems to be.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Ready, sir?
Come. Sit down, Ankit. When is your interview?
It's the last day of the interview.
Oh, 3rd April.
3rd April.
Great. It's good for you in a way.
Sir.
Because they'll be so tired, wanting to wind up. But there is an advantage. The disadvantage will be all unanswered questions may be directed at you. You know what I mean
Yes, sir.
from experience. For example, you have not answered the map thing properly. The next candidate, if he comes before me for geography, I'll ask him to do this thing. You know, there's a human
You'll be
tendency.
prepared.
Anyway, don't be disheartened by that.
Yes, sir.
Now you are a good candidate, but then you have to gear up and prepare yourself. You have more than a month.
Yes, sir.
How many mocks have you already done?
I have done one.
One. Where?
Guidance IS.
Eh?
Guidance IS.
कभी नाम ही नहीं सुना उड़ीसा में.
नहीं sir, here. He used to teach geography optional.
How do you get hold of
Oh,
such
geography
people?
optional.
Yes.
अच्छा, okay. उनका वो है स्पेशल केवल geography optional के लिए.
नहीं, not only
नहीं,
for
okay.
geography. Any student can join. They inform.
नहीं मतलब geography का लेकिन वो कराते होंगे coaching. You mean to say?
हाँ, they coaching कराते
geography
हैं.
की
Did
coaching
you
कराते हैं.
undergo? I mean, study with them for geography?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. अभी mock में how many members were there?
5.
5. They were other than geography people, right?
Yes, sir.
हैं?
Yes, sir.
Retired bureaucrats.
Retired bureaucrat.
क्या नाम होता है?
Guidance.
Guidance IS.
Guidance IAS. Karol Bagh.
Yes, sir.
Rajendra Nagar, whatever it is.
Karol Bagh. Yes.
Karol Bagh. Anyway, you know, you have time. I'm sure you are going to be in Delhi floating around. But don't take more than 2 or 3 mocks.
Yes, sir.
Be very careful.
Yes, sir.
Instead, with a gap of 10 days, you take mocks.
Okay, sir.
And be very selective in going to institutions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is my gentle, guidance to you. Last time, how much did you get? Because this is the second time you are appearing.
Yes, sir. 165.
165.
275 में.
Yes, not bad, but then you couldn't get anything.
Sir, I got less marks in optional paper 2.
So the same optional,
Same optional.
right?
Yes, same optional, sir.
Geography.
Yes, sir.
Eh?
How much you got?
126. And a total of 275.
Acha, this time you have done much better.
Probably better than last time.
Why do you use the word probably?
Because I'm not sure about the marking, but I have
No,
done it.
But still, you can always. Last time you yourself felt paper 2, you have not done well.
Sir, I have attended everything. I was hoping that I would get 300, but unfortunately.
Total 300.
Yes, sir.
And you got 260.
275.
That is not too bad. In the sense, if you expect only 300 and 275.
So this time how much
obviously,
you?
This time again
I-
300?
Yes, sir.
Not more.
More would be more good for me,
No,
but 300 is.
no, what is your expectation based on your...
Yes, sir. 300, sir. More than 300.
Same level you are maintaining only.
Yes, sir.
You are not improving.
So I would like to.
अरे यार, like नहीं, factually बताओ, based
300.
on your experience, only you can judge and tell us.
More than 300, sir.
More than 3.
Yes.
320?
Yes, sir. It would.
Very good, very good. That's a good score if you get that much.
Yes.
Because from 260 to 320, even if you reach 300, that will see you through.
Yes, sir.
But this time you should do better in interview. 165, at least you should try 175 to 180,
Yes, sir.
which you are capable of.
Yes,
It's
sir.
not that you cannot do it. But then for that you have to do a couple of things. What is geography is the ocean.
Yes, sir.
They can ask anything and everything. All over the world, what is happening, global warming, everything is
Yes,
going
sir.
topsy way. So you have to keep track of, you have to do some reading. Instead of attending more mocks, which you may, 1 or 2 you have to do because 1 month is too long a period. You can't be just sitting at a hotel or wherever you are staying. So once in 10 days take some mark.
Yes, sir.
But be very careful,
Sir.
in going to mocks also. So there you should get some guidance. One is geography brush up. Take that NCERT 12th book on geography. NCERT?
Yes, sir.
That. And although your own teacher must have given you some notes.
Yes, sir. Current affairs related.
Not current. Geography, he didn't give you any notes.
Sir, I have made my own.
No, you have made. But normally they give when you undergo 6 months or 4 months coaching.
Sorry, sir.
He didn't give you any handout
Yes,
for
sir.
geography. So go through that.
Yes, sir.
What is economic geography?
The geography related to the demand, supply of goods and.
Demand supply. So what I'm saying is geography, the 12th standard, NCERT.
Yes, sir.
That's more than enough, honestly.
Yes, sir.
where all basic things, soils of India, climate of India, mountains of India, rivers, basic. And then ports, minor ports, major ports, definition of minor ports, all that, ship making yard, breaking yard, then tsunami, earthquake, and then different zones of our country, which is zone 4, zone 3,
Yes.
zone 2. Is there any zone 1?
No, sir. They have
There is
clubbed.
no zone
Yes,
1.
sir.
Yeah, it starts with 2, 3,
2,
4.
3, 4.
Delhi is 4. Which
Yes,
is
sir.
the highest risk? 1 or 2? I mean 2 or 4?
4.
4. 4 is the highest risk.
Zone 5, they have also given it to the.
But not in India, not bad. Okay, in Delhi, whatever happens in Nepal or Uttarakhand, we get by ourselves.
Yes,
We are
sir.
fairly solid. But anything happening there, it passed on to us. Anyway, so earthquake zones, all those classification, etc., you should know.
Yes, sir.
And that apart, the world economy. They can even ask you like which are the Scandinavian countries, for example. You should be able to name them. And then suddenly they may say Dead Sea. Where is Dead Sea? Why is it
In the
called
border,
Dead?
in the border between Israel and Jordan.
Very good. Why is it called Dead Sea? Never heard of it. Can sea be dead?
No, sir.
Then?
The major reason for this is the highest salinity levels, where any of the aquatic animals cannot survive in such a
What
salinity.
animal? Nothing can be drowned,
Yes, sir.
You put a human body also, it can. Nothing can sink, really.
Yes, sir.
It will float back.
Yes, sir.
You are right. Very highly saline.
Saline.
But on the other side, you have the Israel, where water is very good. You know the reason why Dead Sea is, it's a river actually. Even though it's called Dead Sea, it's a river, it's not a sea.
Yes, sir. There's a river draining in the Dead Sea.
Okay, Scandinavian countries, things like that. Then, because this problem with geography is a very general thing which most people know. But then certain things are very important.
Sir.
So they may just ask you, Warsaw, where is Warsaw? Then Warsaw Pact.
Yes,
It
sir.
goes on like that.
Yes, sir.
Things don't. Helsinki conference. Where is Helsinki? What is this Helsinki conference? What was decided? It's built up chain effect.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to be alert and able to answer.
Yes.
At some stage, of course, you can always back out saying, sir, I can't recall, I don't know. Then they'll put an end, go to some other topic. But the point is, if you know the answer, you will really get very good marks.
Yes, sir.
You see my point? Okay, then about Orissa, place of historical importance, which anybody should visit. For example, if I have a day only, and that too I'm in Bhubaneswar, with Bhubaneswar as base. In 24 hours, what all I can see, what all I should see rather. What is special about Sun Temple? And talking of Puri beach, there is some gentleman who makes images on
Yes, sir.
sand. What's his name?
Sudarshan Patnaik.
Patnaik. Beautiful thing he
Yes,
makes.
sir.
Worldwide he is known. Such like unique thing. And then the Puri Jagannath temple, famous of course. What is the history behind it? You had a Rath Yatra, no?
Yes, sir.
So every year you have Rath Yatra,
Yes, sir.
but the idols are changed only once in some 10 or 12,
12 years.
No? 12 years.
Yes.
Not every year you can't do that
Yes, sir.
because there's a lot of history behind it. Particular tree, particular
Yes, sir.
somebody gets a dream. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
There are,
Yeah.
Anyway, if you can know a bit of it, by chance if they are in a mood, they can ask you,
Yes, sir.
"Okay, what is the history? What exactly happens.
Yes, sir.
So as you are read and as is properly known, you say the same thing. Obviously, we cannot know more than that, whether it's a fact or whatever it is. That's a belief.
Yes, sir.
And almost 1 million people visit. No?
Yes, sir.
Then immediately, just to tease you, they may say, these pandas are terrible. One of the members may say, when I went, they were all after me, and with a stick they beat you, Jagannath ki chadi, give me money, But now, I went recently, they are very streamlined now.
Yes, sir.
Now no
That-
harassment, nothing.
Yes, sir.
Now from a distance only you can see. Earlier I could go very near the deity. Now there's a little
Barricades have been
distance.
installed.
Yeah, from a distance you see. course, luckily the image is fairly big. One can see it. Unlike many other temples where you have to go very near to see it. So something about, and then they set up like, who is the governor of Orissa?
Sri Ganeshi Lal.
Any idea about his background?
Yes. No, sir.
Huh?
I'm
He's been
not aware
a
of-
politician or a professor or what?
He was a politician. Sir.
He is still a politician, I think. Otherwise, he couldn't have been appointed. You just say political background.
Yes.
Don't say politician. Then they ask you more. You see, you have to be very diplomatic. He was. Then they will say, oh, has he, worked all his sins? He is now no more a politician. Just to see your reaction. You see, the idea is to judge your personality, not so much your knowledge, but how coolly you take and whether you have that sense of humor, subtle sense of humor. But it should be done in a very dignified way,
Yes, sir.
not in a crude way. You follow
Yes,
what
sir.
I mean?
Yes.
So these things are very important. And last time also we had done well in the interview. I think interview part you fairly okay, but gear up little more. But 165 is not enough.
Yes, sir. I
It
feel
has to be 180 plus.
180. Yes, sir. I was hoping.
So that you get at least some class 1. The competition is there, but you will make it.
I'll do
Believe
it.
in yourself.
Yes, sir. I'll do it this
And
time.
take 2 more mocks at the interval of 10 days, wherever you want to. Do you have any suggestion for any institution? No, because you should not go to the wrong institution.
Yes, sir.
My point is, I don't know about your institution, wherever you've gone. So, that way. But I think next IAS we can suggest. There is one called Next IAS.
Yes,
I
sir,
don't know
yes.
whether they'll continue for another 10 days. You check
And
out.
definitely they will.
Huh? They will.
15 से थोड़ा आगे भी करेंगे 15 तक तो है ही
Huh.
at least up to 15.
And there is another one, Vaji Rao and Reddy.
Okay, sir.
I don't know again whether they'll continue beyond 10. You see, all these people are winding up actually. You see,
15 तक तो almost
15 तक चलेगा, उसके बाद नहीं होगा तो find out.
20th तक बहुत कम
Then
लोग
you
हैं।
take 15th, जो भी last day है उनका वो. And then for the rest of the 10 days you prepare. And the last day, that is 3rd is your interview.
Sir.
From 2nd onwards, stop reading and bothering.
Yes,
Think
sir.
of Lord Jagannath, go for a walk.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read paper and relax.
Yes, sir.
That will guide you.
Yes, sir.
Believe in yourself, self-confident. जो
Yes,
होगा
sir.
देखा जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
Panicky वो.
लेकिन मेहनत पूरी करनी है, एक
उससे
महीने का
पहले
utilize
मेहनत
करना
करनी
है।
है.
Yes, sir.
Last 1.5 days, 2 days only relax.
आज 1 से 1 तक
Okay.
And ये नहीं कि किसी ने बोल दिया वो पढ़ लो, ये पढ़ लो, नहीं जो हो गया देखा जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
Like that. Go with that dash.
उस दिन का न्यूज़पेपर से
हाँ.
हाँ, उस दिन का ले जाओ.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it in the forenoon, afternoon?
Forenoon.
तब तो
Even
और
then you
ज़्यादा
take it,
जरूरी
you
है।
will have to go
we'll
by
have-
taxi. Where are you staying?
Karol Bagh.
Take taxi and go.
Yes, sir.
और पढ़ते जाओ
And
रास्ते
just-
में और कुछ नहीं पढ़ना है।
You have to report at 9 a.m.
Yes, sir.
So start by 7:38 because you never know.
So
There may
nowadays
be-
12 candidates are being interviewed per day.
You will not know. No, more sir. Oh, you
More?
mean each board?
नहीं हाँ
And each
ये
board,
total-
earlier it was 10.
10 अब
Now
शायद 12 कर रहे हैं
12 हो रहा है,
क्योंकि
and there are 9
का
boards.
time constraint.
So 108 candidates over
Yes,
day.
sir.
That is the speed at which they
Yes,
are
sir.
clearing.
Total of 120 individuals per day.
So maybe now there are 10 boards.
Yes, sir.
Earlier when I was there, 9 boards थे.
120 per day.
120 yeah?
तो
At most. At
No,
most.
not at most. इतना
नहीं तो
होता है,
12 से भी ज्यादा हो रहा है इसका मतलब
Yes, sir.
120
नहीं
At
नहीं
most.
10 boards है ना.
अच्छा
हाँ,
9
so
नहीं 10
Yes, sir. 10 boards.
तो 10 में मतलब 12 हो रहे हैं
हाँ,
पर डे
हाँ.
10 के बजाय
10
12
की
हो रहे
जगह
हैं।
and instead of 10 now 9 o'clock.
9
Instead
o'clock
of
कर
2
दिया,
o'clock, 1
yeah.
o'clock. Afternoon lunch. Anyway, the point is go well in time.
Yes, sir.
There it is air conditioning, you relax there.
Yes,
But
sir.
don't get late and feel panicky.
No, sir.
That is more important because you are coming from outside. Delhi
Yes.
वाला तो फिर भी manage कर लेगा, वो गली गली से निकल जाएगा. But you will have to go by,
Yes, sir.
and don't take unnecessary risk. So take the newspaper as he was saying.
Yes, sir.
Take one
They
economic
were-
daily.
Yeah.
Economic daily means Mint or Economic Times or something. That day's paper also. See the headlines only. Don't bother about editorial and all that. Okay, and happenings in Orissa. That also you have to keep track. Okay, now there was Eastern Zonal Council meeting. Your
Yes, sir.
CM gave a lunch to all the things.
Who were there in the meeting?
Yes.
Who were all?
Sir, Honorable Home Minister of India, Government of
Then-
India, the Chief Minister of West Bengal,
Very important.
yes, sir. Chief Minister of Bihar,
Bihar and
Jharkhand.
now one more. West Bengal हो गया हाँ ठीक है West Bengal ठीक है. So and the best thing is Mamata has toned down a bit.
Yes, sir.
She said no point in asking for resignation of Home Minister.
ये कहा है।
Major.
Lunching.
Yes.
ये कैसे कह दिया जी?
Yes.
जैसे केजरीवाल 6 महीने पहले
हाँ।
दूसरा वैसे
आपने
So I
never
think
criticized
it's a
the Prime
major
Minister
thing for
re-election.
Amit Shah.
नहीं 6 महीने पहले
A
से
lot of
It's a
melodies.
major thing for Amit Shah. She's saying no point in changing the Home Minister. There are real issues which has to be tackled. Very
लेकिन वो
mature
भी
response.
वो फ्री वाला वो भी करने वाली हैं अभी करने वाली हैं जल्दी से
नहीं वो तो
सेविंग
है
केजरीवाल का वो
Yes, sir.
फॉलो करके
नहीं वो तो ऑलरेडी अनाउंस कर दिया
कर
I'm
दिया
told.
ना
West
कर
Bengal
दिया
has
है।
already 100 units नहीं हाँ water
नहीं और भी फ्री चीजें
और भी होगा free bees. Anyway,
वो ये सबसे
so the
अच्छा
point is
है,
keep track of happenings in Orissa. Orissa by themselves never ask for anything, but still you should know.
And I think we have
Chalo.
got a lot of very, very pointed questions in science you were able to answer. You have done it to 165.
Two more, eh?
It's only a little distance to cover.
Yes,
For instance, when I asked you about the American president impeachment, yes, it is true. Initially, there was a problem about Russia interfering.
Yes, sir.
But then a little updation. This impeachment is about Ukraine.
Yes.
A little updation. He said that's all. A little catching up. You have to do this thing. Otherwise, you already proved your mettle in the interview. Okay, that's all. That's all. And a little point, Ashokan Rock Edict and all, the message is not about the Kaliga war, but it's the Dhamma. I mean, all
Yes, sir.
religions are equal.
Yes, sir.
A little more point.
Okay, I'll see.
Fine. That's all.
एनी क्वेश्चन फॉर अस कुछ और पूछना हो क्लैरिफिकेशन कुछ
Sir.
I'm happy you are
बढ़िया।
smiling. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
This is what we want you to
अपना
do.
आंसर नहीं भी आता हो वहाँ पे तो वो नहीं होना है डिमोटिवेट नहीं होना
Not
है
even
I
that,
don't know
but don't laugh very wildly. With a cynic
Smiling is okay.
smile, yes.
Thank you, sir.
Not a
All the
laugh,
best.
but a smile.
All the best.
Huh?
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good.
Thank you.